Hello, welcome everyone into my channel Everything PS with UMD. Feature Summary and Design, October 2020 release. Learn about new features and enhancements in the October 2020 release of InDesign, version 16.0. Detect the subject within the image intelligently and wrap text. Wrap text with intelligent subject detection. You can wrap text around the contours of a subject directly in InDesign without having to use alpha channels or Photoshop paths. InDesign enables you to identify a prominent subject intelligently with Adobe Sensei inside an image and wrap text around that subject. Detect the subject within the image intelligently and wrap text. Follow these steps to create a subject-aware wrap. Navigate to the Text Wrap panel, select Window. Text Wrap. Import the image and prepare the text that you would want to wrap around a subject. Select the image and from the Text Wrap panel, select Wrap Around Object Shape. Select Wrap Around Object Shape icon. In the Contour Options section, choose Type. Select Subject. InDesign displays the anchor points around the subject. To add or delete anchor points, use the Pen tool. To select or move anchor points using the Direct Selection tool. Click OK when you finish making changes. Use Pen and Direct Selection tools to select, move, or delete anchor points. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Locate colors in your documents. Want to quickly locate colors used in your document? You can quickly search for all instances of color in one or more InDesign documents, delete any unused colors, or replace them with another color. Go to Find Change panel directly from swatches to locate colors. Find and change colors. Go to Find Change panel directly from swatches to locate colors. You can quickly find a color in a document or in several open documents in InDesign at once. Click Color in the Find Change dialog box to search for specific instances of color and if desired, replace it with another color. You can also use the Color tab to locate any unused colors in your swatches panel. Click Edit. Deselect all to make sure no objects are selected. To locate a color from the swatches panel, click Find this color. To search and replace in more than one document, ensure that you have all these documents open in InDesign. In the Find Color menu, select the color you want to change. To replace it with a new color, use any of these options. From the Change Color menu, select the color you want to replace with. Click Select New Color Swatch to create a new swatch. Click Add to save this to your swatches panel. Click Find Next. When the first instance of the color is highlighted, click Change All. When the alert indicates all additional replacements, click OK. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Use HSB values without RGB translation. Use HSB values in InDesign wherever color values can be set, including swatches, and eliminate the need to translate color values into RGB. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Use navigation points in the media panel. Save time to find and navigate to specific sections of a video precisely by using navigation points. You can set the navigation points to play a video at a different starting point other than the default one. Add navigation points to your video. Navigation points to create a navigation point, advance the video to a specific frame, and then click the plus sign icon. Navigation points are useful when you want to play a video at a different starting point other than the default one. When you create a button that plays a video, you can use the Play from Navigation Point option to play the video starting at any navigation point you add. Navigation points was removed from version 15.0. It is restored from version 16.0. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Seamless content reviews with text annotations. With enhanced text editing capabilities, Share for Review evolves to provide an even more seamless creative review experience for designers and their team members. Use new set of review tools like Highlight Text, Insert Text, and Throw Text. Review a shared InDesign document. Learn how to review a shared InDesign document. InDesign provides intuitive commenting tools that stakeholders can use to share their feedback. As a stakeholder, you can review the shared document when you receive a private link through a Creative Cloud notification and an email, a public link through any of the communication channels. Here is a handy visual reference on reviewing a shared InDesign document. Reference for review shared documents. A pin tool. Use pin tool to pin or move your comments to indicate specific objects in the design. B. Highlight text. Select the text from the document and click this tool to highlight the text. C. Throw text. Select the text from the document and click this tool to throw the text. D. Replace text. Choose the section in the document where you want to replace text, click this tool, and start adding the content. E. Drawing tool. Mark free form annotations using colors. F. At mentions. Use at to mention a user while adding comments. If you use this option, the mentioned reviewer receives a notification in email and in Creative Cloud application. When you click the notification, you can access the referenced comments section in the design. Detect damaged documents and recover. You can save time and troubleshooting the damaged documents. InDesign detects the damaged documents and try to repair them on Adobe servers. When you open a document, if the document is damaged, a prompt appears to choose to repair the document. Adobe servers detect the damaged InDesign documents and try to fix them. Automatically recover damaged documents. There are multiple factors, both internal and external to InDesign application, which can lead to document corruption. InDesign has an auto repair mechanism that detects and automatically recovers a corrupted document. The recovered version of the document will open in InDesign, prompting you to save the document before proceeding further. Save the recovered document. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Finally, do not forget to like, comment, share, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell button. At the end of this video now you should know that in this update, we have 6 new features. 1. Seamless content reviews with text annotations. 2. Locate colors in your documents. 3. Intelligent subject detection and text wrap. 4. Use HSB values without RGB translation. 5. Detect damaged documents and recover. 6. Use navigation points in the media panel. If you want me to make new videos about these new features in detail, let me know in the comments section down below.